First navigate to the file and choose Open. Select these two images, click Open. Now click on the lock icon to unlock the layer. Press Ctrl J to duplicate the same layer. Hide the bottom layer. Then go to the eye image window. Take the lasso tool and select the eye like this. Open Edit and choose Copy. Go to the hand window. Open Edit and choose Paste. Press Ctrl T for transform option. Hold the Alt button and decrease the image size like this. Click Enter. Now hold the Control button and click the layer thumbnail. Hide this layer. Select the second layer. Then open Select, Modify and choose Contract. Here increases the contract by 30 pixels. Press OK. Now click Delete. Press Ctrl D to deselect. Expose the top layer. Hold Shift button and select these two layers. Open Edit and choose Auto Blend Layers. Enable Stack Images option. Then enable these two options as well. Click OK. Now expose the bottom layer. Move this layer to top. Hold the Alt button and click the Layer Mask button below. Take the brush tool. Set brush hardness to 50%. Decrease the opacity to 34%. Now fix the edges like this. Go to the adjustment layer options and select color lookup. Choose a 3-strip look here. Let's see the final result.